I'll
yeah,
get
if
over
you
here.
cannot keep up with it, it is a tiny little plane that is going to probably be pretty flying pretty erratically.
I'll get on your right so I don't. I got him in sight. Zoom.
There it goes. Much better.
Frick, I lost it.
So much more stable. Just getting
Problem is my glasses are polarized and I can't see the damn screen.
He wants to pitch up and down a little bit.
I am not getting it. I'm sorry, dude.
No,
Wait, you know what? I can see my phone screen a little better.
So erratic. I'm doing my best. It's just that it pitches down so. No, it's right now. It's the problem is that it needs a lot of up trim still. But I think I've got it. I'm getting it.
Oh, it looks good now. Any expo?
There we go. Much better.
Yeah. Now it looks like a real GP.
Huh.
Oh, nice, dude. I'm totally guessing where this. Like a bumblebee.
It's not stable, but
Yeah.
it's much better than it was.
Is it landable?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I landed in the first flight with only a bit.
Oh yeah.
So let's try.
It sounds good.
Yeah, let's try a roll.
Yeah. Very
Well, that's
nice.
good.
Very nice.
I mean, it was more of a.
Yeah. Corkscrew, cork roll.
Really feel the
Very torquey.
Okay, landing.
Alright, let's see.
Still TV landing.